Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. Wish you a Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas. Without wasting much of your time, today we are just discussing about this application that I found online. It's an application that gives free internet, so you can browse, stream any platform without costing you anything, without buying any bundles. So without much of further ado, let's see the app how it's performing right now. Okay, so I'm having the application. It's this right now. You only have to go on Play Store and search for WireTime. It's the application. It's called WireTime on Play Store. So as you can see, I'm having the data on. I've opened my data. Let's try to see if I'm having any bandwidth running right now. Let's go on YouTube. It's a very good application. I recommend for you this application. As you can see on YouTube, nothing is loading. I'm using the 3G, as you can see, but it also works on 4G phones. As you can see, nothing really working. Now let's try to switch on the application. By the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you find the video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, the application have some servers, list of servers that you can choose from. It's very good, by the way. As you can see, there is Canada, France, and Germany. That's all. For me, I like using Germany because it's much faster than the others. Okay, if you turn the data on, just place on this one, please connect. Just take some few seconds to load, and it's now connected. If you want to work time, they only give 15 minutes, but if you want more time, you can place on here. You can place on here, watch video ad free, so that they can add more time to the application. Now let's go back to the YouTube. Let's open YouTube. As you can see now, it's even started running. Let's try to refresh the page. It's taking some seconds. There you go. So guys, subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy it, because for me, I'm enjoying. I recommend the application for you guys. It's very good and it's very fast if you are using a 4G phone. Mine's also 4G, but I prefer using my 3G. Let's go. It's your boy Wupetek. I'm out, bro.